After the successful landing of Chandrayaan 3 on south pole of the moon, India has successfully launched the first solar mission, Aditya L1. Aditya L1 is a solar mission of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It is the first Indian mission dedicated to study the sun. The spacecraft were launched on September 2, 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Aditya L1 is named after Aditya, the Hindu god of the sun. The L1 refers the name Lagrange's point 1. Lagrange's point 1 is a gravitationally stable point between the sun and the earth where the gravitational pull due to earth and sun cancel out to each other. The spacecraft will be placed in a halo orbit around the L1 point, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from the earth. Actually, halo orbits are special paths that are not perfect circles or ovals. These orbits are highly stable and minimize the amount of propellant or fuel needed for spacecraft. The Aditya L1 spacecraft is equipped with 7 payloads to study different aspects of the sun. These payloads include a coronagraph to image the solar corona, a spectroscope to study the solar atmosphere, a magnetometer to measure the solar magnetic field, a particle detector to measure the solar wind, a radiometer to measure the solar irradiance, a plasma analyzer to study the solar plasma, a telescope to study the sun far side atmosphere. The Aditya L1 mission is expected to last for 5 years. It is expected to provide valuable insights into the sun's magnetic field, the solar corona, and the solar wind. These information will help us to better understand the sun's impact on Earth's climate and space weather. Here are some key objects of the Aditya L1 mission: to study the structure and dynamics of solar coronas, to understand the mechanism of coronal heating and solar wind acceleration, investigate the origin and evolution of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, to study the impact of solar activity on Earth's atmosphere and climates, to study our understanding of the Sun Earth system. The payloads will use a variety of methods to study the sun, including optical imaging, spectroscopy, X-ray and gamma ray imaging. The Aditya L1 is launched for the special scientific observations that are to study the structure and dynamics of the solar corona, to understand the mechanism of the coronal heating and solar wind acceleration, to investigate the origin and evolution of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, to study the impact of solar activity on Earth's space environment. The Aditya L1 mission is a major milestone for India's space program. It is the first Indian mission to study the sun in detail and is expected to make significant contributions to our understanding of the sun and its impact on Earth. Here we have some additional details about the Aditya L1 mission. The spacecraft is about the size of a refrigerator and weigh about 1500 kilograms. It will be launched into a halo orbit around the L1 point, which is about 1.15 million kilometers from the Earth. The mission is expected to last for 5 years. The total cost of the mission is about 400 crores. The Aditya L1 mission is a significant step forward to India's space program and for solar science research. It is expected to provide valuable insights into the sun and its impact on Earth, and it will help us to better understand our place in the universe. And this was the detailed explanation about the Aditya L1 project. And I do hope that you got the valuable information about the Aditya L1 project. So please like and share the video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.